Alright, are we live? Yep, I guess. Alright, are we live? Yep, I guess. Cool. Let's solve today's lead code, which is word search. And yep. Given an m cross n grid of characters, board, and a string word, return true if word exists in the grid. The word can be constructed from letters of sequentially adjacent cells, where adjacent cells are horizontally or vertically neighboring. Alright, the same letter cell may not be used more than once. Got it. So basically what we have is a grid of words, a grid of letters, and we need to find if that particular word exists, if the given word exists in the grid or not. Right, makes sense. Okay. Question is, how can we do it? Cool, got it. Let's see what we have here is, for example, this is A, B, C, E, S, F, C, S, A, D, E, E. Alright, we need to find the word A, B, C, C, E, D, we got it. C, C, E, D. So basically, we have INJ. We can only check for horizontally adjacent cells or vertically adjacent cells. Right. Got it. So what we can do is either go up and down or left and right. Got it. These are the only possible directions. Cool. Right, let's see. What we have here. Should I sign in? Great. All right, let's see what we have here is. Let's take a picture of this one. Paste it over here. Yeah, there we go. Cool. So great. These are the possible directions. And what we need here to do is alright, what we need to do here. This is also a possible direction. These are the only possible directions we can go in. Condition is that they are not in the border, so yeah, basically it is like if on border 2, otherwise 4 directions. Right, this is the basic thing for first of all. Next thing will be what do we have here? For example, it goes, let's say I have this grid in the beginning, right? Let's see. Do we have this grid. Right, this is the grid we have in beginning. Initial pointer is this. Cool. This is my initial pointer. How do I play with it? So basically initially my pointer is at 0 0. Cool. This is what 0 comma 0 is my initial pointer. Cool. Then I get the option, since this is what? This is my we keep a string builder. Okay, initially what do we need is grid, then we need current word and target word. Okay. These are the requirements. What do we do is start traversing from this point. Then we do a DFS. Simple DFS would work. That is in all the possible directions. Which is over here it will be go right. First go right. Yeah. Then keep going on right, keep going on right. Keep adding words if the word matches with the current. Alright, we also need current target index P we would need. Right. And what do we need is if target index equal to grid I of j add to current word, else do a return, which is we do a return false. Right. Next thing is this is what you get on right. Then you get back, go to left, and after that going to left, what you do is what we do after that is it's back. It's like you go to add the current word. If not added, come back, then come back again, then go to left. Alright, or we actually don't have to maintain the current word. Just check if target index is at target dot length. If we don't have to maintain this, we do like okay. So base case will be something like if target index target dot length return a true. Right, that makes sense. So we don't have to maintain an extra string or a string builder in Java. We know that the current word is matching. All right, cool. Let's see what we have here. There will be a function private int word index. Right. What this word index is supposed to do, we match it with the base case. So it's like if target length return true. Right. Otherwise it will be if I is okay. Cool. I need to go. Let's say I fall other out of what it is up, down, left, and right. This is how my pointer will move. So if I want to move up first, then I definitely has to be greater than 0. Then only I'll be able to do it. Which is target. And the first condition is very simple, which is if uh, target.carrot target and j port dot length to left, which is j is 0. Will this work? Target dot length. Oh, right. Didn't work over here. Why did it not work? Didn't work for C. Right, what happened over here? Let's see. Huh. Cool. What is happening with the C over here? I have to let me draw it on the page actually. It starts with what? 0, 0, and 0. We have to match the word C. Right. How do we do it? Simple. Does A match it? No. Alright. Since it doesn't match with it, what do we do if it is not matching? We're just simply returning false over here. Don't have to return false. Right, this is the wrong approach because we're just not never checking anything after this. Got the issue. So it's like I check from every single character. That's how we can solve it. Like we check from every single character and that would work, right? So it's like TF we pass board, we pass word. Will this work? Ideally, yes, it should. What is length 4 over here? It's just length 3. 7, 9. What is this? Oh, it's for this one, I guess. Right. A B C B A B C. How did it find? अच्छा ठीक है, we also need to mark a visited thing because if it is already visited, we need to unmark it also. Right. What it's doing is it is doing A, B, C, then coming back to check B. So it's kind of repeating characters. So we need to ignore the characters or positions which are already visited. Hence we need to keep a marking on the visited characters, which can be something like what? Right, let's do one thing. And since we've implemented this thing, we don't need to add these conditions. Right. Yeah. Next thing we need to do is it has come from everywhere. Right. It went up, it went down. Alright. Next thing to take through is bold I of J to CH. It worked for this at least, but is it the most optimal solution? Okay, so this is basically the most optimal solution, and yeah, it works. It should work every single time. This is done. Cool. I guess yeah, that's it. Close this one. All right, that's it for today.